Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use auto-completion in Notepad++ step by step. First, open Notepad++ on your computer. At the top of the screen, click on Settings. From the menu, select Preferences. In the Preferences window, click on Auto-completion from the left panel. Now enable the option called Enable Auto-completion on each input. You can also enable function completion and word completion to get better suggestions while typing. Next, choose when the suggestions should appear. For example, you can select from first character or from second character. After that, close the Preferences window. Now open a new file and start typing. For example, type pry. You will see a list of auto-completion suggestions appear automatically. Use the arrow keys to move through the suggestions. Press Enter or Tab to insert the selected word. This feature helps you type faster, reduce spelling mistakes, and improve coding or text editing efficiency. You can continue typing different words and see how Notepad++ automatically suggests matching words and functions. That's it. This is how you can use auto-completion in Notepad++ in 2026. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.